Hello everyone, this is our second video on topic GST. I hope you all have seen my first video on GST. Now we will start solving sums of GST. This is Amal Agrawal book, exercise 1 for standard 10 and question number 1. Let's see what is given in question. Then we will start so that the concept will be more clear. A manufacturer sells a TV to a dealer. That's why I have made 3 columns: manufacturer, dealer and consumer. Please come back to the question. A manufacturer sells a TV to a dealer for rupees 18,000 and the dealer sells it to a consumer at a profit of rupees 1500. If the sales are intrastate, it means in same state all the selling are going on, and the rate of GST is 12%. Find the following things. Before going to the sub questions, first of all we need to solve this part. We need to solve all the part with the help of only these two lines. When we'll get all the values, all the answer, then we'll start answering these sub questions. So according to the given things, I'm going to start my answer. Question says that manufacturer sells a TV to a dealer at the rate of rupees 18,000. What is the rate? Selling price of TV for manufacturer is rupees 18,000. Selling price for manufacturer but cost price for dealer. Okay. Then this dealer will sell the TV with a profit of rupees 1500. That is 18,000 plus 1500. It means dealer will sell the TV at cost of rupees 19,500. This will be the selling price of TV for dealer but cost price for consumer. You try to understand that thing. One more thing I want to say, because this is your first question for GST, maybe this is the first attempt at GST sum, but you all knew about the sums of profit and loss, that this is the selling price for manufacturer sold his item, that was TV, for rupees 18,000, but dealer definitely want to take some profit before selling his item. That's why he has taken 1500 rupees. So this part is the sum based on loss and profit chapter. I hope it is clear to you. Now what our question says, that as I have told you in my video 1, this is the normal selling, and selling is which type? The selling is of intrastate. Since sales are intrastate, means what? It means that I want to divide it into two parts so that we can solve the sum for these two people left side and for these two people right side. Okay. Sales are intrastate, therefore 12% GST will be divided into two equal parts, right? If you have seen my first video, there properly I have explained what is the meaning of intrastate. It means in same state all the dealing. You just think we are now in Maharashtra or in Jharkhand. The manufacturer belongs to Jharkhand, dealer is also of Jharkhand, and consumer is also in Jharkhand. So this type of dealing or selling is named as intrastate. There is no change of state. So whatever tax paid by consumer or by dealer, it will be divided into two equal parts. Half will be for central government and half is for state government. So 12% GST will be divided as 6% CGST and 6% SGST for both the dealing. Yeah, here dealer will pay, and in second selling there also 6% CGST will be paid by consumer and 6% SGST will be paid by consumer to the dealer. That we will do later on. First of all, try to understand these things. What we have did it, this is the selling price of television for manufacturer, this is the selling price for dealer. Okay, now these both will paid. Dealer will pay a tax to government via manufacturer, okay, and that tax will be named as input GST. This not this is not uh, only GST, this will be input CGST as well as input SGST, both. And the tax paid by consumer, because the item will be out for use, so this GST will be named as output CGST and output SGST. This will be 6%, this will be 6%, this is also 6% and 6%. I hope it is clear up to this one. After that, what we'll do, since selling price of TV for manufacturer is equals to rupees 18,000, therefore input, I have started the sum, please focus on it. Input CGST paid by dealer, because manufacturer sold it for rupees 18,000, so dealer will pay this amount for TV and he will pay tax also. So we have started solving it, that including 18,000 how much he will pay as CGST and as SGST. So I have started this part here. Input CGST paid by dealer is equals to 6% of 18,000, and same almost equal to same thing will be for state government, and that is named as SGST. Input CGST paid by dealer is equals to 6 by 100 into 18,000, that is 0 cancelled, so this will be rupees 1080. Similarly again we will solve what, this is input CGST, now we will find out input SGST paid by dealer is equals to what, 6% of 18,000, so it is again rupees 1080, right? Now this part, this side we will solve. We did it. What I have done just now, I said that dealer will pay 18,000 for TB and 1,080 rupees to the central government via manufacturer and 1,080 rupees to the state government. As I have given taken example, we are here in Jharkhand, so maybe the dealing is done in Jharkhand. So this manufacturer, this dealer will pay 18,000 rupees to manufacturer, 1,080 rupees to central government and 1,080 rupees to Jharkhand government. Okay, now we will solve some similar, whatever we have done here, we will do the same thing here between dealer and consumer. So what is the selling price? Selling price of TV for dealer, already I have mentioned you, that is cost price of TV for dealer plus profit, because everyone want to earn profit, that's why they are doing the business. So cost price was 18,000 plus he has taken 1,500 profit, so it became 19,500 rupees selling price of, so dealer has taken 19,500 rupees for TV, but consumer will pay this amount for TV as well as 6% tax also, because this amount is for dealer and this is for central government and this will be for state government. So we will solve that. Output CGST is equals to 6% of 19,500 and it is 6 by 100 into 19500, so 20 cancelled, and when you will multiply 6 into 195, this is rupees 1170. And similarly what, input input SGST, please focus here. SGST is also what? I think it is not visible, so I'm solving here. Input SGST is equals to, again, 6% of 19500, that is 6 by 100 into 19500, so 00 cancelled. This is rupees 1170, right? Now we are having all the data. See, what is CGST for consumer? How much CGST consumer will pay? It is 1170. Just now we have find out from here that consumer will pay rupees 1170 rupees to dealer as tax to the central government, and to state government it also pay rupees 1170 to the dealer. So if my question will ask that how much money consumer will pay, you will add all these three, this amount, this tax and this tax, that is the total amount paid by the consumer, right? So one more thing I want to mention here, that output and input CGST, about output input GST. This input CGST and input SGST is always paid by dealer. We can say that, but fact is that dealer is not paying all the tax. Why? Let me explain. Output CGST and input CGST, SGST, these two will be paid by manufacturer. Why? I'm telling you. See, dealer has paid this amount, this plus this amount. Here that amount was 1080 as CGST, and SGST was also. So dealer will pay this plus this and this. This is the cost of TV. This is for central government and this is for state government. Now I want to explain one thing. Okay, according to calculation we can say that this is paid by dealer, but dealer collecting money from the consumer. So overall all the amount is paid by consumer. So what we need to understand, when dealer will pay 1080 rupee to for central government to manufacturer completely pay this money to central government, and this money to the state government. 1080 rupee will be directly paid by manufacturer to the central government and 1080 rupee to state government. Okay, and dealer collect how much money as tax for central government from consumer? It is 1170. And how much money for state government? That is also 1170. But out of 1170 he has paid 1080 rupees. So what is the burden as tax on dealer? This minus this, because 1080 rupees already he has earned from consumer, that was paid by him to manufacturer. So what was the load on dealer? We can say that 1170 minus 1080 means dealer will pay only 90 rupees as tax. Why? Because his earning is only 1500 rupees, so he has to pay only 90 rupees. You got that? Dealer will pay only 90 rupees as tax because his profit is only 1500 rupees, but manufacturer earned a big amount, that's why he has to pay a big amount as tax also. Okay, consumer never paid directly any GST or any tax to government. I think it is clear now. That's why I'm mentioning here output CGST and input SGST will be paid by manufacturer, and difference of output and input GST will be paid by dealer. See, these lines you may ignore when you are solving your sum. This is for your explanation, because you are not only solving the sum, you are trying to understand the concepts also. That's why these are the extra lines. You may reduce these lines, right? So let's start solving. Our sum is completed. As I told you from the book, these two lines are more than enough to solve the sum. We have solved main part of the sum. Now we are ready to answer these questions. Okay, the first question, please focus on the question. Question number 1. First question is the amount of GST paid by the dealer. Amount of GST paid by dealer. You first show the book. To the state government. What I told you just now, I've told you how much money dealer will pay, that to the state government. State government's SGST. So dealer has collected 1170 rupees from consumer and paid, already he has paid 1080 rupees at that timing. So what is the amount he has paid? We will write output SGST means whatever he has collected from the consumer minus input SGST that he has paid to manufacturer. So what was output SGST? This is 11. Sorry, here I have written input. This was output GST. This was output SGST. So what he has collected for state government, that was output SGST, that is from consumer. So that was 1170, and what he has paid, that was this one, input SGST 1080. So 1170 minus 1080. So the net tax paid by this dealer to state government is rupees 90 only. Okay, what I have written here, you got that? This SGST minus this SGST. He has taken 1170, 1080 paid by manufacturer. So net tax paid by dealer is only rupees 90. Now see the second question. What is the second question? The amount of GST received by total GST received by central government is equals to what? Is equals to CGST, because we are talking about central government. So CGST paid by manufacturer plus CGST paid by dealer. We never write plus CGST paid by consumer, because consumer directly never pays any tax to government. When the fact is that all the amount is paid by consumer only, all the money comes from the pocket of consumer. But when we are learning about this, that tax is always paid by the seller only, not by the consumer. So what was the CGST paid by manufacturer? That was, say, what was that? 1080. We have solved here. And paid by dealer 90 rupees, that is 1170. If you want to cross check, you just see 1170 comes out from the pocket of customer, 1080 paid by manufacturer, and 90 rupees paid by dealer. But the reality is that whole tax comes from the pocket of the consumer. Okay, now see question number 3. Please focus on third number and let them read what is given. The amount of GST received by the state government. See the difference between first and third question. Here is also the almost similar question. amount of GST paid by the dealer to the state government. We are talking about dealer only, but here total GST received by state government, and that is also equal to state government. So what will write? Total GST received by state government is equals to what? Again we will write SGST paid by manufacturer plus SGST paid by dealer. SGST paid by manufacturer was what? 1080 plus 90, so we'll add, and again it is 1170. See, this is coming from consumer pocket. Now last question. Already I have explained you the answer of this question. Total amount paid by consumer. The amount that the consumer pays for the TV, total amount paid by consumer, consumer for TV is equals to cost price of TV plus output CGST which he has paid plus input CGST. So what was the cost price of TV? Already I told you that for consumer this is CP, cost price, this is output CGST, this is output SGST. Here we will write SGST. So 19500 plus 1170 plus 1170. So when you will add, the answer will be 21,840 rupees. Here your first answer is over. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.